Okay, everyone, I'm going to be showing you. Bucket. No, it's not this. This is a mistake. Which is OpenAI Davinci. Yes, this is it. Okay, loaded. Scroll down. No, this is not correct. It's the spelling is wrong. Probably the spelling is wrong. So let's search for it again. Open the AI Davinci. Okay, this should be correct. This should be correct. Search. Click on search. Okay, this is script. Click on the OpenAI script, the image. Okay, click on it to download. This is it. Okay, scroll down. Scroll down and choose one link and choose any of the links, and just open a new tab and paste it there and click on enter to download the script. Okay, I'm going to click on the download button. Click on the download button. Yes. Okay, let the download pop up. Okay, you can see the download. Okay, this is it. It's already downloading. So I've downloaded it before, so I'm going to cancel it. I'm going to cancel. So go to your downloads to check your downloaded script after complete downloads process. So you're going to see the script here. So just click on show in folder. Just click on show in folder. So now this is to extract the folder. To extract the file. So after extracting the file, just scroll up to search for the extracted file. Okay, this is the file. This is the folder just extracted. So click on it. Click on next one. So let's go to our cPanel. Log into your cPanel. Then have to upload the file. So you can upload it to your public HTML or your subdomain. I'm going to be uploading mine in subdomain. Okay, I've uploaded it before, but let me show you how to upload yours. Upload. Now click on select file. So go and upload the file into your cPanel. Just search for the name of the file in order to upload it. Now this is it. Upload. So it is showing that I've uploaded the file before, so I'm just going to click no. I'm just going to click no, not in order not to upload the file because it's already existing in the cPanel. So click on go back in order to see the folder you've uploaded after complete uploading the file. So this is it. This is mine. So we are going to extract it now. Just click on it. Let's click on it. Okay. Click on edit. Edit one. Click on edit. Okay, click on close. The file has been extracted. Select all. We are moving the file to the root folder. So we are moving to our root folder. Either your subdomain root folder or your public HTML root folder. I am going to move it to. So delete the main folder. Let's delete it. We don't need it again. No more files inside it. Okay, now let's go and create a database. We can create our database. Now we are creating database. So search for MySQL database here. Click on it. So type your MySQL database name. Just give it any name. Start giving it a name. Create database. Click on create database. Click go back. It has been created. Scroll down. You are adding users. Let's create a user, MySQL user, so that we can use it with our database. We are going to give it a password also. Create a password for it. So just name it, give it any username in your mind. So create a password for it also. Make sure you don't forget this thing or you copy it somewhere, because we're going to need it in our script installation. So now after creating the user and the password, then you click on create user. You can create user, is loading. So the user has been created. So click on go back, then scroll down, scroll down. Now we are going to add the user to the database. The user we created and the database we created. So we are adding the user to the database. So the user you created earlier, search for it and choose it. Click on it in order to choose it. So that's what I choose. That's what I created before. Now I'll look for the database I created before, that I created earlier, and I'm going to choose it. I'm going to click on it. So click add. Then just check on all privileges. Scroll down to make changes. Click on make changes and then successful. Then just click on go back. Click on go back. And let's go back to our panel. What's next? Okay. Next thing is to go open a new tab, type your subdomain or your domain name /public/install to start in order to start our installation. /public/install. Your domain name or your subdomain name /public/install. Okay, this is our installation interface. So click on the button to continue installation. The requirements are met. So let's move on. Permission also is okay. So now we are going to input the credentials we created them, the database. So yeah, I'm going to put our local host as the host. (3306) at the port. The database name, I'm going to put it there. Let's go and copy it from where we created it. Okay, this is it. So I copy it and I'm going to go and paste it in the database name which we are to provide. Okay, the database username also I'm going to put it in the input box, and also the password. I'm going to input that also. Make sure you input the right credentials. Okay, click on the next button to continue. Okay, 500 server error. So this is an issue. This is an issue we need to solve. So let's go to our cPanel. Go to where our folders are, our scripts. Just search for .env file. Search for .env file. Yes. Click on it. Click on edit. Okay. Scroll down. You need to just change the app debug to true to know what is really happening. Save changes. So let's go back to our website. Go back to our website. Now to our website. Go back to our website. Refresh to check what is happening. So after refreshing, you'll be able to show some things. Okay, this is where the issue is. Okay, let's go back to our cPanel. That's the issue. So I need to go back to our cPanel to solve the issue. So this is the issue. This is where the issue is. Okay, these are the folders we are going to now make changes. This file. Folder. Okay. Let's go to our cPanel where our folders are. So search for .env. No, app./http controllers. Okay, admin, scroll down, install controller.php, click on edit. Okay, click on edit. Okay, now let's scroll down to go and make changes. So highlight it and what delete this code. That's where the issue is. Delete it. Okay, make sure you click on save changes. Make your changes. Okay, refresh. Once you go back to your website and refresh, you see now you're not seeing any bug again. So just enter any random text or number, click activate, then installation is complete. So make sure you copy the username and the admin password in order to log into your admin panel. So okay, as long as you know, you don't need to bother about this. Just what we just need to do. We just need to go back to our domain names. Okay, just type your domain name again. So you're going to see the. Okay, now log in with your credentials. The credentials I told you earlier to copy. Make sure you input it correctly. So I've copied my own here, so I'm going to copy it and paste it in the input box. So this is the email address. I'll paste it. I'm going to go and copy the password also from there I saved it before. Then copy the password also and paste it. Okay, now let's sign in. Okay, now we've signed into our dashboard, our admin dashboard. Now let's just do some little customization due to time. So let's go to our settings. That's open Davinci management, and just go down to last one and click on it. Okay, so this is where we are going to make our OpenAI setup. So we are going to put our secret key here in order to connect the API together, start making use of our platform. We log into your OpenAI website, your account. If you don't have an account before, create an account and log in into it. So this is the website. Click on login. So I'm logged in. I've logged in before also. Let's wait. So this is, just click on API. So I'm going to log into the API. Just click on this icon that I'm clicking on, API keys. See, just click on it, then click on create API. I've created some API before, but I need to create new one. So just click on create API. You just give it a name, any name that pops up in your mind. Just click on create. Then make sure once the API has popped up, make sure you copy it, because after this you can't see the API key again. Make sure you copy it. See, it's written there. Click on done after copying the API. So let's go back to our website to paste the copied API. Let's paste it, save it. Now it's already working, so let's test it. Click on AI code. Let's test whether our API is already working. Our HTML. Now let's just type some words in order for the chatbot to AI to create some codes for us. Oh, there's an issue here. Oh, so I need to solve this issue also. Showing us some error. We go to our cPanel to correct that issue. Go to your root folder. We need to go to our root folder. Come back. Our .env file is in our root folder, so we need to go to our root folder in order to make that changes. Scroll down. This is our .env file. Click on edit. It's loading. Click on edit and so let's scroll down. Let's look for our OpenAI. Yes, this is OpenAI secret key. This is it. Oh, scroll up. It. OpenAI secret key. Okay, this is it. So we are going to paste the secret key we copied before, or we copied earlier. Make sure you click on save changes. Then go back to our website, refresh. Okay, now let's test it again. If our AI code is gonna work. Then HTML, so just type something for it to provide the code for us. Okay, it's trying to generate the code. It's successful. No, this is not what we want. It's just generating or just ordinary text. We need the code. Probably will not input the right syntax or right texts for it to generate the codes. This one. Okay, we need to try again. We need to try the code again. Okay, let's try anything. Let's write the text. Encode the code, HTML web page code. So, including that code probably to generate the code for us. We need to input the right text, or not for it to work. Okay, now it has generated the code for us. Probably the last time we inputted the text, because we did not put code, that's why it's not generating the code for us. But now it has generated it for us. So our AI is working perfectly. So let's try other things. Okay, thanks for watching.